Today we seeing the topic about micrometer. So micrometer is an instrument used to making the measurement of the components. Mostly it is used for identify the diameter of the workpiece. Micrometer also used to identify the thickness of workpiece. So mostly it is used in the mass production to identify the diameter and thickness of the workpiece, and also it is used to measure the length of the workpiece. So micrometer have great accuracy that vernier caliper and are so used to most of the engineering precision work involved in interchangeability of component parts. They have an accuracy of 0.01 mm generally, but micrometer with an accuracy of 0.001 mm also available. It is used to measure the length, width, thickness and diameter of the job. It is then in this diagram we saw means it is a micrometer. The micrometer consists of anvil and spindle and then thimble and ratchet. By the rotation of the ratchet, the spindle motion will be made and the reading will be taken on the sleeve and thimble. Due to the intersect of sleeve value and the thimble value, the measurement value will be taken on the micrometer. What is the principle of micrometer? So it is based on the principle of screw and net process. When the screw is turned through one revolution, the net advances by one pitch distance. Example, one rotation of the screw corresponding to a linear moment of the distance equal to the pitch of the thread. If the circumference of the screw is divided into n equal parts, then it rotates of one division while cast the net to advance through pitch divided by n length. Due to the calculation of pitch divided by n length, the reading will be taken on the process. The minimum length that can be used to measure in such a case will be pitch divided by n. And by increasing the number of division of the circumference, the accuracy of the instrument can be increased. It is the principle of the micrometer. Least count of the micrometer equal to pitch divided by total number of head scale division. Pitch equal to distance travelled by thimble on the linear scale for one rotation. If the screw has a pitch of 0.5 mm, then after every rotation the spindle travels is actually by 0.5 mm. And if the conical end of the thimble is divided by 50 division, the least count is 0.5 divided by 50 equal to 0.01 mm. So the least count of 0.01 mm, the reading measurement value will be accurately on the micrometer process. So next we seeing the what are the various types of micrometer. The micrometer will be classified into three types based on the outside micrometer, inside micrometer, depth gauge micrometer, and also it classified based on the component of micrometer. So what are the components of micrometer? It will be classified means U-shaped or C-shaped frame. Second one is tipped measuring face or anvil and spindle. Locking device will be considered, barrel will be considered, and thimble will be considered, and ratchet will be considered. These are the components we consider in the micrometer.
Excuse me, Bob.
So next we seeing the other type of micrometer. So what are the other types of micrometer will be digital micrometer with digital display, micrometer with dial comparator, micrometer with slide spindle and measuring, probe and micrometer with reduced measuring phase, micrometer with spherical annual, micrometer with sliding spindle and disc type, thread micrometer. These are the various types of micrometers. So we see means these are the various types of micrometer whether we mentioned before. So by using these types of micrometer we making the reading of the components for our requirements. So it is one of the digital micrometer used to making the measurement of the diameter, length and thickness of the components.